The Lion and the Gentle Deer Story. In a vast jungle, a fierce lion ruled as the king. He hunted daily to maintain his strength, and all the animals feared him. One day, as the lion lay under a tree, injured from a thorn in his paw, a gentle deer passed by. Seeing the lion in pain, the deer felt compassion. Though afraid, the deer approached cautiously and offered to help. The lion, surprised by the deer's kindness, allowed it. With delicate care, the deer removed the thorn from the lion's paw. Grateful, the lion swore never to harm the deer and realized that kindness can break even the strongest of beasts. From that day on, the lion protected the deer and two became friends. Moral of the story: true strength lies not in power or fear, but in kindness and compassion. Even the fiercest hearts can be softened by a simple act of goodness. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.